nĩ igongona rĩrĩa rĩrehete hamwe honge mũgwanja cia ũgitĩri wa mũingĩ na wa nyamũ cia gĩthaka na mĩtĩ. Maabitha honge ici
review your terms of service and condition.
Munini wa president augite mbere ya kamĩtĩ ĩyo ĩneane mendekithia mayo igakorwo yambĩte gũthikĩrĩria marĩa maobitha a ũgitĩri kĩro-inĩ ciothe marenda.
Once we are through listening to the officers, you must allow us also to listen to the people of Kenya. They also have certain things they want you to do differently.
I want to assure you and your families that we will continue to improve the policy space upon which you work so that you feel appreciated and recognized.
As knowing that this is your call, we want to encourage you to keep and remain faithful to it.
Munini wa president yacokerete ciugo iria ririe muthi uria ehitithirio akimoria mamenye bata wa kuiga family ciao mbere.
From experience, don't transfer your command to your house. It will not work. It will just create you problems. When I was a young officer and for 14 years and I was all over the country and I would come on Friday to see my family. But those 2 days are not enough. So when I took early retirement and came back home, I found a lot of problems because I was still trying to run the home the way I was running my command, and there was a lot of resistance. So if you are an officer commanding police station, please, when you go home, be a good father and a good husband.
Oho nĩ moritio matigetikire kuhuthika mihango-inĩ ya ũteti kana ciĩko itarĩ njĩtĩkĩrie nĩ watho. Gachagua gĩthingĩrĩria honge ciothe cia thirikari irĩrutaga wĩra na wĩyathi.
And if you follow the law, you will be a very good officer. And if your seniors insist that you follow unlawful orders, be kind and ask them to give you something little in writing. Chances are 9 to 10, they will just abandon that matter and they will not raise it again with you.
What you should do is do the right thing and you do what is good.
Mihango ya mitheno ifangĩtwo rungu rwa ũtongoria wa rũhonge rwa ũthuthuria. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Njenga Wambui.